Anjelif is an extremely impressive new yacht that was commissioned by a woman, and by coincidence, all of her charter bookings for the upcoming season are by female primaries. That's pretty unusual. She has this amazing hot tub, signature hot tub. Indeed, the name of the yacht is part of the hot tub. And this pretty cool aft sun bathing section that's protected by all of the elements. And when you're, spending a significant amount of money for a charter, you do like to feel very special. And so when this yacht is anchored in the bay, she's going to stand out from all of the other white ones.
The best part of this boat for me is the interior part of this boat, because the owner is Italian lady. So for particular interior inside, as you can see now, is a very high level for details, for the materials.
Yeah, design at this level of yacht, the design is important because there are other options. And so when a charterer has particular tastes, as the captain mentioned, this yacht was commissioned by an Italian lady. So it is very beautiful inside, has a certain taste, and she's gold in color, which is pretty unique in this market.
The best part of the boat for me is the master cabin. The master cabin, you can find the sauna, the very nice dress room, the gym.
How long have the crew been together on her? She's obviously a new yacht, or relatively new.
The crew is Italian crew because the owner is Italian.
Italian crew. Okay.
Speak all Italian.
But for other guests that are not Italian American, English is good enough for everybody?
Yeah, sure.
If you have interest in chartering Anjelif, please get in touch with DMA Yachting. My name is John.